So as you can see now, the image has been resized here. It's now 400 by 300. 400 by 200, because we have resized that image. And you can, by the way, verify that if you open the folder, the new folder, which is this folder, the new folder, which is image resized images. If you click on it and then open the beach resize, as you can see, it will be opened here, and you can even verify that by opening the information about that image. You can open in Path, you can open it in Terminal, or you can open the folder itself and then verify that. Let's open the folder. So let me open the folder and verify that. If you open the folder, and then if you open the resized images, and then this image, and let me get the information about this image. If you get the information, you'll find that now it's the dimensions for 400 by 200. So it worked, and now we have a resized image, and we know now how to resize images using Python.